Hello, my name is Xiaofeng Wang. This is my presentation of contemporary issues in hospitality management, and my topic is about energy. First, I will talk about CSR. What is CSR and its benefits to corporation? Second, there are some discussion of issues and the impact of the issue on the hospitality industry will be shown. Then give some solution to the problem and example. Finally, its conclusions. What is CSR? CSR is corporation social responsibility. It makes corporations know how companies manage their business process to produce an overall positive impact on society. It covers sustainability, social impact, and ethics. And done correctly, it should be about core business, how companies make their money, not just add-on extras such as charities. The corporation should actively assess the impact of their actions on the broader economic and social systems in which they are embedded. Therefore, from the perspective of corporate social responsibility, the corporation should be aware of the expectation of society, and they should essentially regulate their behavior in order to contribute to the results that meet those expectations. Corporation social responsibility benefits. CSR can increase employee satisfaction. The way a company treats its community says a lot about how a company treats its employees. People that feel respected and supported in their jobs are often more productive and satisfied at work. Second, CSR can improve public image and enhance brand visibility. Companies that demonstrate corporate social responsibility are gaining positive impact. Companies' reputation can only benefit from good behavior in the community. Third, CSR can increase customer loyalty. Modern people are focused on environmental protection. Customers are more likely to be loyal to your brand if your corporate values with their personal ones. Finally, CSR also can save cost. One of the easier places for a company to start engaging in sustainability is to use it as a way to cut costs. Whether it's using less package or less energy, this saving adds up quickly. The hotel industry has become one of the major energy-consuming industries in the world. They consume a large amount of energy in operation every year. Energy cost is the second largest cost of the hotel operation. Besides, hotels are the main consumers of electricity. In total energy consumption, 61% of the energy consumption is electricity, and most of equipment used is a high consumer of electricity. The hotel's average annual power consumption is about 12,000 kilowatt hours per year. In terms of hotel, energy is the second largest spending category for the hotel after employment, representing 3% to 6% of hotel operating costs and accounting for approximately 60% of its carbon dioxide emissions, according to Energy Solution. For the environment, there are a large amount of carbon dioxide emissions will aggravate the air pollution. It causes more serious greenhouse effects. At the same time, the air pollution will harm to human health. It will leading to the occurrence of many diseases and cancers. In order to solve this problem, the operation can use energy management to reduce non-renewable energy use. Through energy management, it can save energy supplies and reduce some of the negative effects of the use of fossil fuels. Energy management can also increase operational efficiency and reduce operating costs so that more resources can be used to improve the hotel. For example, Hilton saved $250 million from energy efficient in 4 years. They created LightState, which is a proprietary system to measure, analyze, and report on sustainability data. This system helped Hilton reduce carbon and waste output by 20% and water used by 10%. Hilton also have a waste reduction program. They collected a large number of soap, foods, and the other waste to make new products. Besides, Accor also have their own idea to save the energy. The Accor use 100% low-carbon buildings. It will have efficiency to reduce carbon emission. Their energy management makes them minus 5% of energy consumption per room and minus 5% of water consumption per night. Besides, in their waste reduction program, there are 65% of the waste from the hotel operation is recovered. In conclusion, the corporation's social responsibility is very important for the hotel industry. The hotel should be aware of the expectation of the society in which they can make more reputation from the community. For hotel industry, energy consumption is a very big issue for the hospitality. It will bring many negative impacts to the society and the local community. Many international companies start to use many useful and effective measures to reduce energy consumption, which can protect the environment and achieve their sustainability in their CSR. Besides, it also can bring more profits to the corporation. That's all. Thanks for your watching. And this is my reference list. All the reference from the website. Thank you.